Cron calendar tutorial. Hello and welcome back to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Cron calendar for beginners. So please watch until the end to properly understand the tutorial. The all-in-one productivity tool Notion recently acquired Cron Calendar, a fantastic scheduling app with a friendly vibe. We'll go over the main features of Cron Calendar in this video and demonstrate how it works with Notion to increase productivity. Now let's get started. Imagine a scheduling tool that not only helps you manage events effectively, but also syncs up with Notion to keep you productive and organized. You get exactly that power and adaptability from Cron Calendar, which Notion acquired in 2022. Let's now look more closely at some of the main features that make Cron Calendar an absolute necessity for every Notion user. First of all, Cron Calendar simplifies scheduling. By suggesting suitable meeting dates and times, you can easily collaborate with others by creating scheduling links. Coordination is made simple because it is ideal for both internal and external use. Cron Calendar's sophisticated design embodies the quote that beauty lies in simplicity. Cron offers a clear and user-friendly interface that is comparable to an Apple Calendar substitute. Additionally, you can add events to your calendar and change the calendar's appearance by choosing from a variety of colors. When it comes to scheduling, flexibility is essential, and Cron Calendar is very well aware of this. You can select from a variety of views including week, day, and month views. Depending on your preference, you can even change the number of days you want to view and, if necessary, exclude the weekends. Now here comes the game changer. You can increase your productivity by combining Cron Calendar and Notion. Imagine that you're using Notion to complete tasks and take notes, and that you are also using Cron Calendar to manage your time and scheduling events. It's like having the best of both worlds. Let's now discuss Cron Calendar's pricing. Wonderful news! As of right now, iOS, macOS, WebOS, and Windows all offer it for free. You heard it correctly. There is absolutely no charge. Making an account is the first step to using Cron Calendar. Visit the homepage of Cron Calendar's website and follow the instructions there to sign up. There is a Get Started button on the homepage, and to continue with the sign-up procedure, click this button. You will then be taken to another page after clicking the Get Started button, where you can choose to sign in using your Google account. When you select this choice, you will be asked to authorize your access to your Google account. This step is essential because Cron Calendar needs to connect to your Google Calendar in order to function properly. Once you give Cron Calendar permission to access your Google account, it will connect to your Google Calendar and begin to synchronize and manage it. You will be taken to your account dashboard once the connection process is finished. You can now explore Cron Calendar's features and functionalities and start customizing your calendar management experience. As soon as you log into your Cron Calendar account, you'll notice how simple the interface is. The dashboard's user-friendly and intuitive design makes it simple to navigate and effectively manage your calendar. You can view your events and appointments on the calendar, which is located on the dashboard's left side. Your calendar account, which represents the main account you're using right now, will also be shown. If you have more than one calendar account, you can add a new one by selecting Add Calendar Account from the plus menu. As a result, you can manage and integrate multiple calendars into Cron Calendar. You can expand or hide the left menu, which is situated in the top left corner just above the calendar. To further personalize your dashboard, you can adjust the left menu's visibility by clicking the button depending on your preferences. You will find a number of helpful options and features on the Cron Calendar dashboard's right side. There are also useful shortcuts, upcoming meetings, a scheduling snippet, quick meeting functionality, and more. You can effectively manage your schedule with the help of these options, which give you quick access to essential calendar-related tasks. The main workspace where you can actively manage your events and appointments is in the dashboard central area. You have the choice to view your calendar in a variety of ways, including day, week, month, and more. You can easily organize and keep track of your events thanks to this area serving as the hub for all your calendar related activities. You can quickly change this to show the Cron calendar dashboard's central area in a one-day format if you prefer. Locate the week option in the top bar of the dashboard to do this. When you click it, a drop-down menu will show up. Choose day from this menu. When you select day, only the current day with the associated date and time will be shown in the central area. You can then simply pay attention to the activities and tasks that are specific to that day. Similar to the previous change, you can also choose to view the central area on a weekly basis. From the top bar menu, select day and then week. This will prompt the central area to change to a weekly format and display all the events you have planned for the particular days of that week. This gives you more of a clear overview of your week's schedule. Additionally, Cron Calendar gives you the option to view the main area in a monthly format if you prefer. From the top bar menu, select week and then month. The events you have scheduled for the entire month will then appear in the central area. This view gives you a thorough overview of your monthly schedule and enables you to make appropriate plans. Cron Calendar also provides the option for you to manually specify the number of days you want the main area to show. Choose number of days under week from the top bar menu. The desired number of days, such as 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, can be selected from a submenu that will appear. This enables you to focus on a particular period of days and personalize the view to suit your preferences. If the number of days you want to show isn't among the menu options, Cron Calendar offers a solution. From the menu in the top bar, select week and then other. The number of days you want to be shown in the central area can be manually set using this option. Enter the desired number and the central area will change to reflect the chosen number of days. Let's now look at how to add an event to the Cron calendar. To start creating an event, choose the specific day and time that you want to schedule it. Navigate to that date on the calendar within the Cron calendar dashboard. Once you have chosen the desired day and time, the timing for day and night can be found on the dashboard's left side. Double-click the time on the selected date. To create an event for the 11th of August at noon, for instance, select the date of August 11 on the calendar and then double-click the box next to the time. When you click, a sidebar will appear on the dashboard's right side. There are a number of fields in this sidebar where you can enter the event specifics. Start by giving the event a name that is described in the title field. You can identify the event and set it apart from the others on your calendar with the help of its title. Additionally, you can choose to set the event's beginning and ending times in the sidebar. Set the duration of the event in these fields as necessary. If you want to change the date of the event, simply click on the date that is shown below the time field and type in the new date. Simply select the toggle button next to the all day option in the sidebar if you want the event to last all day. The event will be scheduled for the entire day if this toggle is enabled, without a set start or end time. You can use participants field in the sidebar to include participants in the event. It's important to keep in mind that you must send the invitation before inviting people to the event. This guarantees that the participants get the relevant notifications and event updates. For online conferences or meetings, Cron Calendar also lets you integrate Zoom or Google Meet. To get started, select conferencing from the sidebar and then, depending on your preference, configure and connect either Google Meet or Zoom. This function makes it easier to plan and conduct virtual meetings conveniently on the Cron Calendar platform. The location of the event can also be entered in the corresponding field in the sidebar. You can also add documents and links that are essential to the event to the fields that are already provided. In order to ensure that the participants understand the event, you can also provide a description or other details. You can also set up reminders with Cron Calendar to stay organized and make sure you don't miss any significant occasions. Reminders may be set to be sent ahead of time, for example, 30 minutes before the event's scheduled time. This function helps with your readiness and guarantees that you are timely reminded of impeding events. The event will be created and marked appropriately on the calendar once you have correctly filled out all the required fields. It is simple for you to view and manage your schedule thanks to this visual representation of the event on the calendar. So that is how you can easily use Cron Calendar. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give us a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification so you can be updated whenever we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.